everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to create a Gmail shortcut on your desktop. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on. So let's start with today's video. So first, open your Gmail for this. I'm gonna open mine. Once you open your Gmail, at the top you guys can see the three dot, right? At the top right corner, click on the three dot and press on more tool. And then over here you can see create shortcut. Click on create shortcut. And what do you want to name the shortcut? I want to name it Gmail. So I'm going to click on Gmail and click on open as window. Press on create. And then boom, now the Gmail shortcut has been created on my desktop. So let me show you over here. As you guys can see, this Gmail over here. So like whenever I click on it, it's gonna straight take me to my Gmail and open it over here. So yeah, that's how you create a Gmail shortcut on your desktop. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day, everybody. Peace out.